Learning a new language can be a fun and fulfilling task. If you are keen to learn English, you can follow these steps to guide your study. 1. Build a strong foundation. Start with the basics such as the English alphabet, numbers, and simple words and phrases. You can use language learning apps, textbooks, online tutorials, or take beginners classes. Learning English or any other language starts with understanding its grammar and vocabulary. So, learn and practice English grammar rules and expand your vocabulary every day. 2. Practice listening and speaking. Regularly listen to English content. This could be music, podcasts, news, or movies in English. The more you listen, the more you will understand accents, pronunciations, and colloquial language. Try to repeat what you hear to practice your pronunciation. Speaking English out loud, even if you're by yourself, will help you become more comfortable with the language. 3. Read and write in English. Reading English books, newspapers, and magazines can enhance your vocabulary and comprehension. Start with children's books or graded readers, books adapted to different levels of English proficiency, and gradually move to more complex texts. Also, practice writing in English daily. You could write a diary, short stories, or even emails. This will help improve your written communication skills and reinforce your vocabulary and grammar knowledge. 4. Engage in conversations. Look for language exchange partners, join English-speaking clubs or online groups, or make use of language exchange websites. Speaking with others will give you real-life practice and help you gain confidence. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, as they are an important part of the learning process. 5. Consistency and practice. Language learning requires regular practice and patience. Make English a part of your daily routine, even if it's just 15 to 20 minutes a day. Regular, consistent practice is more effective than long, infrequent study sessions. Remember, everyone learns at a different pace and in different ways. Find a learning method that works best for you and keep at it. There are numerous resources available, both free and paid, that you can use to learn English. Good luck with your language learning journey.